Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired July 27th, 2026. The topic of that episode was Trust and I Will Show. Swami, your insights.
Spirit is a demonstrable principle and is called into expression by conscious awareness, meaning identity must shift from mental material to spiritual to be shown true life.
Looking for belief with proof? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriya Yoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam